Turned out to have all of this debris in it. Bones, sticks, even a vertebrae. So, will debris get through your skimmer and through your basket? Yes. Will it mess up your pump? Yes. Cause you a bunch of issues? Yes. Will you need to tear it down? Yes. But you can do it yourself. I did it. Now I'm getting ready to put it back together. Get a stick of some sort. I got a kebab stick. And you want to stick it down on the sides of these louvers. Okay, stick it down on the side of those louvers. And scoop out or